Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix EETV box apps not working, freezing, crash, unloading troubleshooting. To fix an EETV box such as the Pro or Edge model, when apps are freezing, crashing or stuck on loading screens, you can resolve the issue by performing a quick power cycle. Follow these step-by-step troubleshooting instructions to get your streaming apps working properly. Fix one, power cycle your equipment. Turn off your EETV box and unplug it directly from the main power supply. Unplug your broadband router and modem from the wall and wait for at least 60 seconds to ensure the memory completely clears. Plug in your router first and wait for it to establish a stable internet connection. Then plug back in your EETV box and turn it on to test the apps. Fix 2. Update your system and apps. System updates. Press the home button on your remote, navigate to settings, then go to information and reset. Then go to software information and select update software. App Store updates. If using a box powered by Google Play Store like the ETV Box Pro, open the Play Store, tap your profile icon, and select Manage Apps and Games to install pending app updates. Fix 3. Force stop and clear the app cache. Navigate to the settings menu on your device, go to apps, then go to see all apps and choose the problematic application. Now click force stop, then select clear cache. Optional. If clearing the cache fails, choose clear data. Note that this will require you to log back into the app. Fix 4. Reinstall the broken app. Uninstalling a glitchy app removes any deeper corrupt files that a clear cache missed. Go back to your device's app settings or open the Google Play Store, find the app that is not loading and select uninstall. Now restart your TV box, search for the app again and click install. Fix 5. Perform a safe system reset. Unplug the power cable from the back of the eTV box. Press and hold the Find Remote button on the side of the box. Plug the power cable back in while continuing to hold that button. Then within 3 seconds of plugging it in, press and hold the power button on the front panel. Now release both buttons only when the EE logo appears on your screen. From the hidden maintenance menu, choose Factory Reset, keep recordings. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.